Baby cubes are 100% certified organic, made with only fruit and veg, a blend of frozen goodness made into healthy, natural cubes that are nutritious. Check out our baby cubes recipes. Check out our spinach muffins recipe. Hi guys, I'm Caris from Lickalix and Baby Cubes. Here are all of our ingredients that you'll need. Firstly, melt some unsalted butter and just soften your red onion. Then you can start to mix together all of your ingredients. So you've got your plain flour, your herbs, and your baking powder. And also your grated cheddar cheese. And most importantly, we've got our baby cubes. So we're using our organic green baby cubes, which is organic broccoli, peas, and spinach. And here, I really should have used a bigger glass. It was very hard to stir. So use a bigger bowl or glass, and you can stir much easier. Now, start to mix in all together. Now, this mixture can become really quite tough, so keep on going, and especially if you're going to put in extra spinach, chopped up spinach, which you might not have in your fridge, so if you don't have time to chop up spinach or you don't have it in your fridge, just chuck in some more baby cubes and you'll still have lots of vegetables in your muffin mix. Okay, now, if you've watched my other videos, I make things in big batches. Save yourself time, guys. So I make these and then I cook them and then I freeze them in Ziploc bags. And then I have them ready to go whenever I need. I actually take them out, I microwave them for, see, I told you need to be super strong, or it gives you muscles, this recipe. And then I take them out for about 20 to 30 seconds in the microwave and they're good to go. I put them in Tupperwares, they're really great after swimming, or actually you can serve them with your main meal as well as a side. So spoon them in. For smaller kids, you can use mini cup cases as well. Now, bake in the oven at 180 degrees, cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until they spring back or the skewer test and the skewer comes clean. See? Remember, use as a main meal, as a side, or as a snack. Super healthy and lots of greens. Enjoy! Guys, did you like this video? Check out our other healthy and delicious recipes made with our organic baby cubes. We love hearing from you, so if you have any questions or recommendations, please write in the comments section below. Follow us on our social media. Bye!